Two of the things that are important as everything else on your list, like getting enough rest and taking good care of yourself, they may usually wind up as your last priority. If you were to recite the long list of the many things you do every day, it would be mind numbing. That list might include making your bed, preparing breakfast, eating your breakfast, loading the dishwasher, washing your clothes, showering, cold shower, and the list would go on and on and on. Not to mention whatever you might be working on at the moment. But two of the things that are important as everything else on your list, like getting enough rest and taking good care of yourself, they may usually wind up as your last priority. You can't catch up in one day, but you can create a schedule that ensures you will catch up. Make a plan and schedule your rest and rejuvenation on your list of things to do. This is vital. This is crucial. You have to be able to take care of yourself. I'm Dr. Lumi Doris, and I drop these 30-second nuggets because I want to connect with you. Drop your comments below to let me know what you're going to do about your sleep, what time you're going to sleep.